Welcome to the channel. In this short tutorial I will show you how to change Notion background color. So let's just type in any type of text. So this is a header, let's name it for example test, and in the description let's say for example, okay, so this is our text. Now what you want to do from here to change its background color is to just select it, and as you can see we have a menu up here above the text, and what you want to do from here is click on these three dots here, and this tab color corresponds to changing the background color. So the one in the top corresponds to changing the text color, and the background color is right here in the bottom. And let's for example choose this yellow background, and as you can see now our background has changed. And if we type in more text in here, for example, as you can see everything is highlighted with the same yellow color. So this is how you do it, very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.